Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God.
This is our third video for the month of December. I want to say a very big thank you to you all. We are currently at 622 subscribers. This video is being done in the month of November, which is like the next week of this whole thing will be the month of December. We have our first video for the month already. So this is the third video. The second video is our whipped cream video. I want to say a very big thank you to you all. Thanks for all your love and your support, your kind gestures, for watching my videos, sharing and everything. And please subscribe to the channel. That is very, very, very important. Please. The ingredients we are using for today's cake, we have our cake layers here. This is an 8-inch vanilla cake layer. We also have another 8-inch at the bottom, and this is my top-notch cookies and cream cake. We also have some syrup here, no sugar. And then this is the rest of the cake box, the gold ribbon. We also have the rest of the cake decorating tools we use usually here. This is edible white food coloring. This is our whipped cream, which the recipe is on the channel, you can check out. And these are the gold balls we use for the rest of the decoration. In this envelope, we have an edible printout for the rest of the cake decoration we'll be doing. You can see it too. This cake was actually a birthday cake inspiration I wanted to do for myself this year, but a customer saw it and also wanted the same thing. So I'm doing that for the customer and then I'll do that for my birthday as well. That's why we have two of the designs here. And this is the rest of the cake box. And these are the buttercream frostings we are using. This is the uncolored one and this is the shade of pink we are using today. This is actually going to be a whipped cream cake for the covering of the outer layer. So this is just for the filling and then stacking of the cakes.
Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe.
Let's get started. We already have videos on the channel where we stack the cakes and assemble them. So we are just going to place one, arrange it, and then we'll continue from the whole thing that is assembled. So this is the cake, removing it from the cling film. So I'm going to drizzle it with some of the syrup, and then we are going to pipe the frosting on it like this. So I'm going to spread the frosting just a little bit. Place this aside and then place onto it the second cake layer like we do for the rest of the videos you can check on the channel. So this is the cake. We've stacked it or assembled it nicely. We are going to use to crumb coat the cake. I'm going to add in some white food color and then mix it. To add in a little more. So I'll pick some like this and then we are going to crumb coat the cake with it. There are lots of videos on the channel you can check out where I crumb coated cakes for many other orders that we had during the year, so you can check all of those ones out to get the full gist. We'll continue after the cake is crumb coated. So this is our whipped cream frosting. We fetch it into our piping bag here. So this is the cake. I'm going to start piping here. So this is how the cake looks like after adding all the whipped cream frosting. We are going to smoothen out with our scraper here. We are going to add this here. So this is it. We are going to add the sprinkles, the golden balls, and then this which will support with skewers. So this is how it looks like, just as the inspiration of the cake which I've shown in the video. We are going to add touches which are these balls here according to the inspiration I saw. This is how it looks like. We are going to fill in with a few of these balls here. So this is it. Then we add this here.
And this is the final look of the cake, guys. Rate my design in the comment section. What do you think about it? How does it look? Give me all the feedback in the comment section. This is me on my way to do the delivery. This is our last order for the month of November. Thank you guys so much for all the orders you made from GOAA Beloved Catering Service this year. God bless you all, and Merry Christmas to you as well. This festive season, I hope it brings you joy, love, and you're able to share with all your friends and loved ones as well. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This festive season, I want to use this opportunity to let you know that Beloved Catering Service is having a promo where we are going to give some discounts on ordered baked goods from us, so you can check that out on the channel on our community section where the flyer is. If you are in Ghana, this is your opportunity to grab something delicious from our end, and I promise you are going to enjoy it. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel, do all the good stuff for us, follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.